Hello networkers, my name is Michael Tomas with the RouteHub Group. I specialize with practical network design, training, and DevOps. And we have added a new design training category focused on customer design scenarios. These type of video episodes will be different compared to our original training series. In these video-based design scenarios, we will be building real-world designs based on a set of real customer requirements. In this design scenario, we will build a redundant LAN with a Internet and WAN topology using the second edition of the design cookbook and using Visio to build out the actual topology. Plus, we will write out all of the required and recommended configuration details with our network diagram. And we'll be doing all of this step by step, completing a design used in a real customer project. In this design scenario, you will learn how to build your own designs comfortably using the design cookbook. You will learn techniques for completing a network design and how to get information from a customer or management team to build the best recommended design that is possible. This training course is not based on the Cisco CCDE certification track, which is aimed for Cisco-based networks. Our design training is focused on how networks are practically designed by businesses which consider budget and engineer preferences. You can get more details about this design scenario at routehub.net.